Welcome guys, you're now in ODMO space. Today we will be discussing Leonardo AI, we will also be discussing ChatGPT, and last but not least we will be discussing DID. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is type in Leonardo AI, then you want to go down to create account. After putting your name and email, you want to go to your email account and launch the program from your email. The reason I do it like this is because it takes you directly to the home page. You can do it through Discord and you can do it through other ways, but this way is the easiest now that you done launch it. You sign in with your Google account. You should be on homepage, my homepage that got AI Generate. Go down to AI Generate. Now you look up, you'll see that you have 150 credits on a free trial. Every day they give you 150 credits. What you want to do is pick one or two from pictures things, then you want to put in here, like I'm gonna put in black man, and this is what came up. You could put anything you want though. If you don't like the picture that comes up, you have to pay another credit for new picture to generate, and you have to type in what you want, add or taking away from the picture. Once satisfied, you download it. Now some people go to ChatGPT to make stuff. I actually prefer audio to text. If you want to learn how I do that, go into my list of videos. You will find how to turn audio into text with simple instruction, and that's what I do. Whatever you do, make sure to copy the script. You will need it in the next step. Now you want to go to DID, you want to push start free trial, press video create, push the add button, put in your information, go back and press video creator, push the add and download what you made in Leonardo AI. Now over here put in your script which I made from turning audio to texts, but most people make chat think for them, which is good too. Paste your script and press generate, and there you go guys, that's how you make an avatar. In my next video I will be teaching you how to make the avatar background and make it move to give it that more real feel for your avatar. Oh yeah, I don't like making long videos, so this will be it for now, but I just hope you all found this easy to follow. And that you will like, comment and subscribe. ODMO, share my page. I am the newest simple thing. Bye guys.